Have you ever felt like your internet is slow but you're not sure why? What if there is a simple way to test your internet speed in just a few seconds using a powerful tool created by Netflix? In this lesson, I will show you exactly how to check your internet speed quickly and understand what the results mean. So don't forget to subscribe, like the video. I just request you guys to like the video and share it to your friends. If you get any problem, the comment section is open. So, internet speed determines how fast data travels between your device and the internet. A slow connection can affect activities like streaming, gaming, downloading files, or browsing websites. One of the easiest tools to measure your internet speed is fast.com, a simple web-based speed test developed by Netflix to help users check whether their internet can stream videos smoothly. So what is internet speed? Internet speed refers to how quickly data moves across your connection. It is usually measured in Mbps per second or megabits per second. There are three main components, which include the download speed, the upload speed, and the latency or ping. Download speed, it is the speed at which data comes from the internet to your device. Download speed, it is used when streaming videos, loading websites, or downloading files. The upload speed, it is the speed at which data goes from your device to the internet. Upload speed is important for uploading videos, sending files, or video calls. We have the ping or latency. Is the delay between sending and receiving data. Low latency or ping means faster response time. So what is fast.com? Let us go to Google Chrome and then I show you a website I'm talking about. Go where you search from and then search fast.com. So fast.com is a free online tool designed by Netflix that is instantly measures your internet download speed. These are the key features of the fast.com. It is no registration required, very simple interface, automatic speed test. It works on phones, tablets, and computers. It shows the download speed instantly, and then it is mainly used to test whether your connection is fast enough for streaming. After checking your fast.com internet speed, come where you have shown more info. And then we are going to be seeing the upload speed. We are going to also be seeing the location and the latency, which have been talking about, or ping. And these are the requirements. Before checking for your internet speed, make sure you have a device. In this I mean a phone, laptop, or desktop. You have an active internet connection, a web browser like Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. And then how to check your internet speed. You open the browser as I did. Open my Google Chrome and then search fast.com. Once the page opens, the test starts automatically. You will immediately see your download speed being measured. As you have seen, my speed has been measured, and then wait for the results. You can show more details as I did, and then you see the upload speed, the latency, and the server location. Let me show you the upload speed. The upload speed is right here. I have the latency. Let me show you the upload speed. Upload speed is here, latency is here. Hope now you know what is latency. That latency is right there, and then we also have the server location right here. That is the server location. Now, understanding the results. If you get 1 to 5 Mbps per second, that means you have a slow connection. If you get 10 to 25 Mbps per second, that means you have it is good for browsing. And if you get 25 to 50 MB per second, it is good for HD streaming. And then 100 MB per second, it is a very fast internet. So for smooth streaming on Netflix, speeds above 25 MB per second are recommended. So these are the tips for getting accurate speed test results. To ensure accurate results, disconnect other devices using the internet, pause downloads or streaming, move closer to the Wi-Fi router, and then test multiple times. And we also have common reasons for slow internet. It may be a weak Wi-Fi signal, network congestion, we have slow ISP plan, also have too many connected devices on your Wi-Fi and others. So checking your internet speed is very important when troubleshooting slow connections. Then tools like fast.com make it easy to test your connection within seconds and understand whether your internet is performing as expected. And then this tutorial is for informational, educational and research purposes only. Internet speed results may vary depending on your internet service provider, device, location and the current network traffic. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video to your friend, and then like the video. Hope I have fully explained what is fast.com, how to check your internet speed. I sign out as Marus Tech.